Hello viewers! Today the recipe that I am going to share with you is of tandoori chicken, and you can make it at home without any oven. So without any further delay, let's start. So viewers, to make our tandoori chicken, I am going to marinate the chicken in 2 steps. So for the first marinade, I am putting some diagonal cuts to the chicken so that our marinade seeps inside the chicken. So in this manner, put some deep cuts to the chicken pieces, and once the cuts are there, I'm going to prepare the marinade. So in a bowl, I have put the chicken pieces and I'm adding the dry ingredients. First one is the salt. Next, red chilies, and after adding the chilies, I'm adding ginger garlic paste to the chicken. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some lemon juice to the chicken pieces. After adding the lemon juice, I'm going to mix all the ingredients in the chicken pieces and leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour. So let's move to the second marinade step, and for that what I'm going to do here is that I'll start adding the dry ingredients first. So red chili powder. After adding the red chili powder, I'm going to add salt. Next comes Garam Masala, and after adding Garam Masala, I'm going to add Coriander Powder to the chicken. Next, Cumin seeds, and after adding Cumin seeds, I'm going to add powdered turmeric. And also some chaat masala. Now moving on to the rest of the ingredients. Ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, I'm going to add natural yogurt to the chicken. And next is mustard seed oil. After adding the oil, I'm going to mix all the ingredients with the help of the spoon and make sure that all the ingredients are mixed really well with the chicken. Now I'm going to leave this to marinate for at least 3 to 4 hours, or if you have more time, for at least 8 hours. Moving on to the next part of our cooking our tandoori chicken. So here I have taken a cast iron pan and I am adding some oil to it. So after adding the oil, once it is warm enough, I'm going to add the marinated chicken to it. Now as our chicken has been marinated overnight, so it's not going to take a lot of time to cook. So here, at this point, make sure that you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise it's not going to acquire the color that we want. So I'm going to add a few more pieces here. And once I have added enough pieces of chicken to the oil, I will let it cook for at least 5 minutes from one side. At this point, there is simply no need to add the gravy or the yogurt from the marinade here, because it's going to burn in any case once the chicken starts acquiring the charred color. So once it's cooked from one side, I'm going to flip it and cook it from the other side as well. So one by one, flip all the pieces. So once the chicken has cooked from one side for 5 minutes, I'm going to start flipping the pieces one by one and see that it acquires a charred color from one side. Once all the chicken pieces are flipped, I'm going to apply some oil on the top side, and this chicken is going to cook in double cooking method, as it's going to be steamed in another pan once it has acquired color from both the sides. So here just check that all the pieces are evenly charred from all the sides, and now I'm going to transfer them to another pan. So I have transferred the chicken into another pan now. I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium heat, and after that I'm going to cook it on low heat for half an hour. So I'm placing a lid on the pan now, and I'm going to leave it for half an hour. And yes, it is quite soft now, our restaurant style tandoori chicken. Now one last step is left, and that is to give it a smoky taste. I have taken this metal bowl and placed a burning coal in the bowl, and I'm going to drizzle some oil on top of the burning coal, and immediately I'm going to cover it with a lid so all the flavor goes inside the chicken, the smoky flavor. So here I'm going to cook it for another 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm going to remove the lid and also the metal bowl containing the coal, and our smoky tandoori chicken is ready. So here I'm going to serve it in a plate that has onion rings and a dip, which is our mint chutney. So I'm going to place all the pieces of chicken on the plate and serve it with mint chutney, onion rings, lemons, and also some green chilies. You can serve this with naan bread. I have shared the recipe of how to make naan bread in my previous videos, and the link is shared in the description box too.
So viewers, if you have liked my today's recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like and share so you can easily watch my upcoming recipes.